In today's video, I'm going to teach you 0 tips how to record a part payment on a bill or invoice. 5 minutes. First, sign into your Xero account. On the login page, click Login, enter your email and password, and select Login again to access your organization. Make sure you're using a user role that can reconcile bank transactions, otherwise you won't see the options we're about to use. From the dashboard, open the bank account that received the money and choose Reconcile Items. Locate the bank statement line for the payment you want to allocate. This is the actual amount that hit your bank, often less than the full invoice or bill total when a customer pays in part, or when you make a part payment to a supplier. With the statement line selected, click Find and Match. This opens a list of unpaid invoices or bills. Use the search bar to filter by contact name or reference if needed. Because this is a partial payment, choose Split. In the Split panel, type the exact amount that should be applied to the invoice or bill. Double check the figure. The split amount should match the portion paid. You'll see the remaining balance for the statement line calculated automatically so you can handle it separately. Click Split to confirm the partial allocation. Next, select New Transaction and choose Receive Money to assign the leftover amount on the statement line. This is useful when part of the deposit relates to something other than the invoice, such as an overpayment, a deposit for future work, or a small rounding difference. Enter a clear descriptive note so anyone reviewing later understands what this remaining portion represents. Fill in any required fields shown on screen, then click Save Transaction to record it. When everything looks right, finish by clicking Reconcile. Xero will now show the invoice or bill as part paid, leaving the outstanding balance open to be settled later. The bank statement line will be fully accounted for, part matched to the invoice or bill, and the remainder recorded with your new transaction. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Always check the payment date matches your bank statement. Make sure the split amount exactly reflects what was intended for that invoice or bill, and keep your descriptions consistent so future reconciliations are easy to follow. If you ever need to adjust, you can reopen the reconciliation and edit the match or the new transaction you created. That's it. Your partial payment is correctly recorded and reconciled in Xero.